Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening System Settings. Don't pause. Make sure your MacBook Air M1 is plugged in or awake because large images can trigger sleep. Once done, locate Wallpaper or Desktop and Screensaver. You'll find it under the main settings list. If your image is in Photos, open Photos first and note its album. If it's a file, remember its folder path in Finder. This gets you straight into the screen where you'll pick and apply a new wallpaper quickly and reliably. You now pick the photo and tweak how it appears. Click a default or select photos. To add a custom image, hit the plus or add folder in Finder, then choose the file. Make sure to try Fill versus Fit. Fill crops to cover the screen, Fit preserves the whole image. Once you see the preview, adjust alignment and scale. If you use light and dark modes, set each variant so the wallpaper matches automatically. This ensures the image looks right on your Retina display. Finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying it across spaces and displays. Click Set Desktop Picture or Done, then switch spaces and Mission Control to confirm. If an external monitor is attached, check its separate setting. Make sure the file isn't on an external drive that disconnected. If the wallpaper refuses to change, restart System Settings first, then delete Desktop Picture cache in Finder's library caches, and finally reboot. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.